My name is Andy Rosenthal. I'm the editor of the editorial page of the New York Times, which means I'm in charge of the newspaper's opinion pages, both in print and online. And specifically, I'm in charge of the editorial board, which consists of about 18 journalists who are highly experienced, almost all of whom are former reporters, and they each have an area of responsibility that they have to be expert on. A good editorial consists of a clear position that's strongly and persuasively argued. It's based on principle, but it's also based in fact. I want to give you some pointers on how to write an editorial. The first one is you have to actually know what you want to say. You have to have a clear opinion, what we call a bottom line. Number two is you need to get to the point of your editorial quickly, and you have to state it clearly, and you have to be concise. Remember, you've only got about 400 words to say what you want to say, make your argument, and get out. Number three is there's basically two kinds of editorials. One expresses an opinion about a situation, like if you want to write about human rights abuses in some part of the world or some part of the country that you're concerned about. The other kind of editorial proposes a solution to a specific problem. Like, for example, if you want to write about traffic congestion in northern New Jersey, where I live, and there's a lot of traffic, you should have an answer to how to fix the traffic problem. Number four, do your research. Everyone's entitled to their own opinion. You're not entitled to your own facts. Go online, make calls if you can, check your information, double check it. There's nothing that's going to undermine your editorial faster than a fact you got wrong that you did not have to get wrong. Number five, good writing is important, and make your writing clear and easy to understand. Write as if you're sending a letter to a well-informed friend who cares about what you think. But don't use any slang. OMG, no. Use examples whenever you can. It's better to use an example than just to use a word or an adjective that describes something. If you want to say that the mayor's pre-K policy is wrong, explain how. Don't say it's just stupid. In fact, never use the word stupid. Number six, every writer needs an editor. After you've written your editorial, give it to someone you trust to read and listen to what they say. If they don't understand it, that means it's probably not clear. The last thing I want to tell you is that when you write something and you publish it, be prepared for a reaction. If you write a good editorial, people are going to respond to it. And if you criticize people, they are definitely going to respond. So if someone writes you a letter, write them back. Be prepared to defend your position. Don't get defensive. Just explain why you said what you had to say. And if they question your facts, be ready to show that you were right.